This is the in front of the house. I'm not allowed to filming. The house is about to close. That's why we are running. Look, front बाट चाहिँ यस्तो देख्छ, उताबाट चाहिँ हैन. यो चाहिँ माथिबाट हेर्दा चाहिँ यस्तो देख्छ. I don't know कस्तो एन्टी लाइट परेको छ कि के छ. I think this is the second times I visited the royal house. Worth it guys यहाँ आएर घुम्नलाई यदि तपाईहरु Isle of Wight आउनुहुन्छ भने. Hello everyone, welcome back to my new vlog. Today I'm gonna show you guys the British historical place which is in Isle of Wight. It's Osborne House. One of the most famous attraction on the Isle of Wight. It was the beloved holiday home of Queen Victoria and Prince Albert, who bought the estate in 1845 to escape the pressure of royal life in London, where we can find the state rooms, Queen Victoria's private apartments, beautiful gardens, Queen Victoria's private beach and Swiss cottage. And now let's start the video. Okay, luckily we got the ticket for Osborne House, हैन. यो चाहिँ रोयल म्युजियम टाइपको रहेछ. लास्ट टिकट चाहिँ 4 o'clock रहेछ के. अनि त्यो हाउस चाहिँ बन्द हुने around 5 o'clock. We are going ahead. Last time मा चाहिँ we just got the ticket. त्यो अघि पौडी खेलेको भएर हैन यो कपाल क्या फुस्रो फुस्रो भएको छ के नुहाउन नपाएर अब. This place is like the royal palace हैन. यहाँ चाहिँ Queen Victoria र Prince Albert चाहिँ बसेको ठाउँ रहेछ यो. They told me कि I'm not allowed to film inside the building, but बाहिर मात्रै फिल्मिङ गर्न पाउँछ रे. भित्र चाहिँ त्यो रोयल थिङ्सहरु भएको भएर चाहिँ भित्र चाहिँ भिडियो गराउन पाउँदैन भनेर भनेको छ. Look, this is the house, Osborne House. Victoria, Queen Victoria र Prince Albert बसेको ठाउँ. This is the in front of the house. हैन भित्र गएपछि I'm not allowed to filming. The house is about to close. That's why we are running. Finally we are here. He is Sheikh Mohammed. This is the lift inside the house, and this one is the map of whole house. This is the Osborne House. After her death, royal family left the house, and it was built in 1845 to 1851, and these all are royal things. There are statues everywhere inside the building, and this is the walking corridor, and this is the another art inside the house. And he is the king, but I forgot his name. And this is also the royal things inside the house. And this one is the picture after the war, I think so. And this room belongs to Queen. This is the council room where she used to give a counseling. It's nice. And this one is the audience room. The statues were made really nice, and it's all over the house, and it's beautifully made. Even they had the detail of this artist, but I forgot the name. And this statue belongs to the Prince of Wales at that time. It's really nice. Everything over here inside the house, they have their own history. And this is the painting of royal family, and this one is the dining room. It's so beautiful. It's nicely arranged. They still arrange it very well. And this one is the private room. And by the way, we are not allowed to take the video and the flash, but we were allowed to take the picture. That's why I had to take the picture of whole room. And this is the snooker room for royal family. And this stairs is for going upstairs. And this is some rare photo of royal family, and it's still preserved there. And this is the royal nursery suite. This is the royal family of Great Britain and Norway. And this is the royal family of Spain. And this is so nice over here in the wall. And this is the royal family of Sweden and Denmark. And this one is nursery bedroom, which belongs to royal children. It's so nice. It has own history. This belongs to royal children. There are lots of private room inside the house, and the painting all over the wall. It's nice. And this is the stairs to go down. There are lots of room inside the house. I think that's for everyone who work inside the house. And this is the rare picture of children. And this is the prince's dressing room and writing room where he used to write. Even there are lots of books in the table. And this is the queen sitting room, and there is her piano, and this one is her dressing room, and this is where she used to sleep, and these all are things inside her room. And this is the lift for her. This is the small statue of king. Now this section belongs to some Indian kings. Most of the king and prince I found there, they are from Jaipur. At that time they really had a good relation with royal family. Even there are some rare pictures, but it was made by painting. There are details of this king, but I didn't manage to take the picture of everything. This is all I got. They really had their own history at that time. And this is the painting in the wall. And this is the big dining table decorated for queen at that time. Even nicely decorated today. She used to have a food here in this table. And this is the weapon of that time. It's rare and it's historic. This is called Darbar room. If I'm not wrong, this section is handled by the Indians at that time. This is the Indian palace in 19th century. This is Ramnagar palace. I feel like I lived that time. It's nicely done, it's nicely arranged. We just came out from the royal palace, Osborne House. We are not allowed to take the video over there, but I had taken the picture. I'm going to show you guys that picture in my vlog. We're going ahead in the garden. Let's see what we got here. This is how royal garden looked like before, right? It's kind of museum. Okay, if you want to go in this park, यो पार्कमा जानको लागि मात्रै चाहिँ you guys don't need any ticket होला है, फ्रीमा जान पाउँछ होला. But if you want to come in this building, go and watch everything. त्यो पहिलाको हिस्ट्रीहरु, especially pictureहरु and the bedहरु, everything छ के त्यति बेलाको still exist here. Look at this beautiful garden. Gravel छ साइडमा, तर जहाँ जहाँ फ्लावर छ त्यहाँ चाहिँ मडै छ क्या, I mean sand. एकचोटी यो अझै झन् लार्ज फ्रेममा देखाइदिउँ the royal garden of Osborne House को. This is the place हैन जहाँ चाहिँ क्वीन भिक्टोरिया र प्रिन्स अल्बर्ट चाहिँ बसेको थियो. सब हिस्ट्री छ भित्र हैन. त्यहाँ मैले पिक्चरमा खिचेको छु. ल यो चाहिँ यहाँ अगाडिपट्टिको ट्याक्कै. सो लुक फ्रन्टबाट चाहिँ यस्तो देख्छ, उताबाट चाहिँ हैन. यो चाहिँ माथिबाट हेर्दा चाहिँ यस्तो देख्छ, उताबाट कस्तो देख्छ. फ्रन्टबाट चाहिँ त्यो पनि म देखाउँछु तपाईहरुलाई. वर्थ इट तर यहाँ आएर घुम्नलाई. वर्थ इट है गाइस यहाँ आएर घुम्नलाई. यदि तपाईहरु आइल अफ वेट आउनुहुन्छ भने यो ओस्बर्न हाउसमा आएर चाहिँ घुम्नु. टिकट चाहिँ अलि महँगो नै छ, 24 समथिङ पर पर्सन हैन. तर दामी त्यो हिस्ट्रीहरुको बारेमा चाहिँ सबै देख्न पाउनुहुन्छ. मैले चाहिँ स्पेशली अब आफैले त्यहाँ पढेर बुझ्ने भन्दा नि we didn't get a lot of time हैन. 5 बजे चाहिँ यो क्लोज हुँदै रहेछ. त्यसैले मैले चाहिँ फोटो लिएर आएको छु तपाईहरुलाई पनि सबैलाई देखाउनको लागि चाहिँ. म चाहिँ फोटो क्लिक गर्दाखेरि मेरो 30 मिनेट्स बित्यो. त्यहाँ मैले सबै हेर्दै पढ्दै गरेको भए त धेरै टाइम लाग्थ्यो. उनीहरुले पहिल्यै भनेको थियो, दे टोल्ड मी कि यु गाइज आर लेट, भ्याउँदैन होला भनेर भन्थ्यो. तर वी केम हियर. ल यस्तो दामी देखेको छ. अनि रोयल प्यालेस भनेको रोयल प्यालेसै हुन्छ नि त. गाइज यो अगाडि गएर चाहिँ ट्याक्कै समुद्र भेट्छ हैन. देयर इज द बीच एन्ड वी जस्ट फाउन्ड दैट कि त्यहाँ क्वीन भिक्टोरियाको प्राइभेट बीच छ रे के. बट वी आर अलरेडी लेट हैन. हाम्रो फेरी पनि 5:30 को छ. वी कुडन्ट मेक इट. आई डोन्ट नो कस्तो एन्टी लाइट परेको छ कि के छ, तर इट्स लुक लाइक दिस. अब चाहिँ लगभग रोयल प्यालेस चाहिँ घुम्यो हैन. अब चाहिँ वी आर गोइङ इनसाइड द गार्डन. लेट्स सी. यहाँ अर्को एउटा एक्स्ट्रा गार्डन पनि रहेछ कि. अनि यस्तो दामी छ ल गार्डन पनि देयर आर मोर फ्लावर्स रोयल गार्डनमा ओके यो गार्डनको साइडमा चाहिँ अहिले चाहिँ दे आर मेक क्याफे के यहाँ चाहिँ कफी सफी खान पाउँदो रहेछ पुरै हैन here we go दामी आई थिंक इट्स अलरेडी क्लोज्ड अहिले त गाइस त्यहाँ घडी पनि बज्यो ल अब वी आर गोइङ फरवर्ड अब बिस्तारै यहाँबाट बाहिर निस्किनु पर्छ हैन कन्जर्भिङ द लोजिया यो चाहिँ सायद रोयल फ्यामिली बस्ने चेयर होला अब माथि गएर बिस्तारै एक्जिट हुने हामी आई जस्ट रियलाइज कि यो चाहिँ हैन जनावरको केहीको त्यो बोकाहरूको केहीको टाउको जस्तो रहेछ के ल बफादर डग पनि छ इट्स हियर स्ट्याचु नै बनाएर राखेको छ एन्ड लुक एट दिस सेन्टर इन द गार्डन गार्डनको सेन्टरमा यस्तो छ हैन अनि this ground over here it might be the royal family's playing ground होला हैन अनि I mean उ बेला अब गेमहरु खेल्ने यही ग्राउन्डमा होला might be something written over there in the chair John and Feliz Snow forever in our hearts Rela this is how it looked like from this side and there are a lot of rooms here it's like the more than like the hotel of course royal family ko palace भनेपछि त हुनु पर्यो नि यो 18th century तिर we're going back to our parking from the royal house I think this is the second times I visited the royal house I mean first royal house say I had visited in Nepal Nepalko royal house and this is the second one the road is so confusing guys exit खोज्नलाई time लाग्यो but I think we found it we're going ahead towards the exit अनि royal family हिँड्ने ठाउँ त्यतिकै शान्ति न हो त अनि this is the map of this royal palace अनि यति ठुलो छ look and that's the beach that I'm talking about अब अघि हामीले इन्ट्री यहीँबाट गरेको हैन अब एक्जिट पनि यहीँबाट हुँदैछ we're going inside now अनि यहाँ चाहिँ you guys can find gift item lot of gift item the entry र exit हुने ठाउँमा हो now we are here in our parking है यो चाहिँ ह्युज पार्क छ है अनि इट्स फ्री रहेछ यहाँको पार्किङ चाहिँ okay this is all for Westbourne House the royal house by the way हैन अब we need to move from here I try to show you guys जति मैले सक्थे हैन त्यति because we were not allowed to take the video inside the building and that's all thank you so much guys for watching my video thank you so much for your support हैन keep supporting and comment below video कस्तो लाग्यो हैन तपाईहरुको प्रतिक्रिया दिनु thank you so much and अर्को भिडियो सम्मको लागि चाहिँ bye